Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the 13th lesson, simple present and present continuous tenses. Look at the following pictures and answer the questions in complete sentence. What does the girl do? What she is doing? The girl is washing her hands. The girl is washing her hands. What is the boy doing? The boy is climbing the tree. So simple present tense means it talks about the action that takes place in the present moment. Okay. So we often add yes or es at the base of the verb to form a simple present tense. Okay. So here some examples are there. Shows how the simple present tense can be written in a negative sentence and questions. Okay. I or you eat cake. This is a simple present. How it negative? I do not eat the cake. We have to use do not. Okay. If it is third person, he, she, it, then we have to use does. Okay. If it is I, you, we have to use do. Okay. And the past tense we have to use did. Okay. Next, present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense tells about the action is that going on the time of speaking. Still going. It's not end. While you are speaking, some action is going. So, she is playing with her dolls. Okay. Now also she is playing that doll. That is a continuous tense. Okay. See. I am writing a story. Okay. These are all examples. Okay. Next, we'll see exercise. Fill in the blanks with simple present tense of the given verbs. Monkeys dash to eat bananas. Monkeys like. I dash on a holiday with my parents every year. I go. Sheru, my dog, dash our house from thieves. Sheru, my dog, guards. Guards. The potter dash beautiful vase. The potter makes. My father dash vegetables in the evening. My father buys. My brother dash in the park in the morning. My brother jogs. The English language dash many words. English language have many words. Understood? Next, write the questions to which the following sentences may be suitable answer. Use the question words given in the brackets. The film starts at 6 p.m. So we have to make a question using this word when. When does the film starts? When does the film start? The film starts at 6 p.m. Okay. I eat bread and jam for breakfast. So what? What do you eat for your breakfast? For your breakfast. Okay. Why it's do here? Because I. Whenever there is a I, you, we have to use do while making question. Okay. But when it is a third person, he, she, it, we have to use does. Okay. Paul sits in the back because he is tall. Why Paul? When converts Paul into a pronoun, it's a he, right? So we have to use does here. Why does Paul sit in the back? In the back. Mr. Thomas teaches in Christ College. Where does Mr. Thomas teach? Where does Mr. Thomas teach? Next, Manu looks after the dog. Who looks after the dog? Five children come to the park every day. How many children come to the park every day? She goes home by the school bus. How does she go to the how does she go to home? Okay. Next, change the following sentence into simple present tense. He is walking carefully. He walks carefully. She is standing in the corner. She stands in the corner. He is swimming with his friends. He swims with his friends. I'm learning to play the tabla on Mondays. I learn to play the tabla on Mondays. They are running on the road. They run on the road. My mother is making a pie. My mother makes a pie. The lizard is crawling on the wall. The lizard crawls on the wall. The barber is cutting hair. The barber cuts hair. Understood? Next, D. Fill in the blanks with simple present or present continuous form of the verbs. Praveer dashed to buy X from the market now. Praveer is going. It dashed so heavily that the street is filling up with water. It is raining. Next. The child dash eat breakfast and dash with her doll every day. The child is eating breakfast and plays with her doll every day. The cock dash in the morning. Crow. Cock crows. The teacher dash a new activity in the class today. The teacher does. Please dash your fingernails. They are too long. Please cut. Sheetal dashed to bake a cake from her mother this afternoon. Sheetal is learning. 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 I dash sleep on my brother's bed today. I am sleeping. Understood? Next, let us write. Complete a girl's description of her school library by filling in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs. My school library, B form, is. My school library is a huge room full of all kinds of interesting books. There are picture books for small children. On a long shelf, the librarian keeps several storybooks for our age group. It is my favorite spot in the library. Whenever I go there, I pick up many books. When I read, my friends also join me. We share our books too. Understood? This is about the simple present and present continuous tense. Tomorrow we will see simple past and past continuous tenses. Okay? Thank you.